Season 4 Episode 16. Tamir Brown's second clone messes up Titanic's intro/grounded. Oh no you don't. Ha 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 ha. These losers deserved it for making videos of Titanic YouTubers.
Tamir Brown's second clone, get over here right now, you are in so much trouble. Tamir Brown's second clone, how dare you push Mr. Titanic 6000 off the camera, and how dare you mess up Titanic's intro? That's it, you are grounded for 16-20 minutes, go to your room now.
Wah. Thanks for watching.